Local news for Thursday the 11th of April. The South Wairarapa District Council has appointed a new Chief Executive. Harry Wilson has accepted the role and will begin shortly. His extensive Chief Executive and Executive Leadership experience and the current Director of Safety and Environment New Zealand Transport Agency and has previously worked as CE at the Waikato Council for 5 years. Regional Council. Filmmakers and Wairarapa residents James and Susie Cameron have announced that they will be the keynote speakers at the Just Transition Summit in New Plymouth next month. They'll discuss how New Zealand can make the most of its symbolic global leadership. The Camerons have a particular interest in sustainable agriculture with an organic vegan farming operation in the region. And the Best Chip Shop competition is back for 2019. National and regional awards are again at stake, including the People's Choice Awards and the Judges Supreme Award 2019. Mr Chips Masterton beat over 500 fish and chip shops last year to be named the champion and did so as well in 2017. And in sport, Wairarapa United are home this week with a 3 p.m. kick-off against Waterside Karori, while the women are away to Petone.